Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a low mileage 2013 Chevy Cruze LT, stock number Z7522X. Only 48,000 miles, and this Cruze comes to us with a clean auto check history report. Atlantis blue metallic in color. Cruze is a very safe vehicle, 5-star front and side government crash rating, keeping your family and friends safe and your insurance costs down. Seats 5, cloth interior. Split seat back folds down to accommodate longer cargo items. Nice size trunk. Wide opening makes it easy to get things in and out. And not only low miles, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry, power windows, locks, mirrors, upgraded 9-speaker Pioneer sound system. Front seats have also been heated. Power moonroof. Gauges with driver information system. Cruise control. Steering wheel mounted audio control so you can keep your hands on the wheel. Easy to operate radio and CD player, which is also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use. Heating and air conditioning. 6-speed automatic transmission with manual shift capability. Storage in the armrest with USB and auxiliary input, allowing you to connect those mobile media devices like iPods, MP3 players, smartphones. Large glove box with all the owner's materials, and power moonroof control overhead. Under the hood, this Cruze has a 1.4 liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 138 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the car. Excellent fuel economy, EPA average of 26 miles to the gallon, and the city average of 38 on the highway. All that with new tires. For more information on this Cruze, please go to SheboyganAuto.com.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.